Hello everyone, it's Peekaboo here. I know it's been a while. I hope everyone is doing good. I certainly am. Today it's very exciting because I got my Pusheen 2018 fall subscription box here, fresh out of the mail, and I really want to open it on camera with everyone to show you what's inside. So you're going to be taking a sneak peek with me for the first time, as this will be my first time seeing what's inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off this plastic film. Now this box, as every box that Pusheen sends out, is super duper cute, and every time when I am anticipating for my Pusheen box to come, I get really nervous because the box is so cute and everyone can see this box, because the only thing protecting the box is this plastic film that I'm afraid people might snatch it because it's just too irresistible. But thank God that people, you know, are very nice and they haven't done that to me. I'm very excited to open this up with everyone. I've been seeing a few spoilers on Instagram, but you know, I've been trying to stay away from those because I want this to be a surprise. Alright, so at a glance, I see Sleepy Pusheen over here, and there's some clouds and some Z's, so it makes me feel like it's a very cozy fall box, and I'm very excited. So let's open this up together. Alright, wow, this box is filled to the brim. Now I've seen on Instagram and Facebook that there's actually a bit of controversy about this box in terms of, you know, people were really hoping for a Halloween box or a fall themed box. But I think this time around, the box is centered around bathroom and bedroom, so things that you can actually use. And I actually prefer that. I do love my holiday theme and seasonal themed goods. However, I would rather prefer something that is more usable and that I can actually put around my house. You know, not just for certain months, but throughout the whole year. So I actually really appreciate this box. So for me, this is definitely what I would want over like a Halloween, spooky, orangey, fall themed merchandise. So right off the bat, I see this cute Pusheen card that, you know, Pusheen is sleeping on a pillow with some Z's, and turning it around, it gives you all the info to what is going to be inside this box. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the side. Okay, so the first thing I see is this pink soft towel. Oh my goodness, I know exactly where this is gonna go in my house. Aww, and it's Pusheen sleeping on a cloud. Wow, this is awesome. See, this is what I mean, is that, you know, this is very useful and that you actually put it around the house and you can use. Super cute. I wonder why they didn't make this just like a longer shape, because I have those circular hand towel holders in my bathroom, and just, you know, I think it will be more convenient if it was just like this shape like this, and I can just put it in the hand towel holder. But I mean, this works too. You know, there's more surface to wipe your hands with. Alright, I'm gonna put this on the side over here. And then, oh my goodness, it's a Pusheen squishy! Now, this is just priceless. I mean, I've been obsessed with squishies, but you know, I never went out and bought one because I just didn't think that, like, I don't know, I just feel like it's very childish. I don't know, people love squishies, but I just don't think it's for me. Like, I love seeing them and I love playing with it and I love squeezing it, but I would never go out and buy one, you know? But I'm really glad that they sent one to me, because this is just very cute and very squishy, and I can't resist it. Look how cute it is. And it's very round. The shape is exactly like how I imagine Pusheen would be. The next thing I see is this loofah. Pink. It's a mini loofah. Oh, my little Pusheen is wearing a bathrobe. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I will definitely put this to use. All right, let's see. Oh, this is the vinyl of this fall 2018 box. And it's Pusheen on its side, kind of, you know, asking for a belly rub. Very, very cute. I'll definitely put this around the house as decoration. All right, the next thing I see, this is what I have been waiting for. This is a sneak peek that Pushen Box on Instagram has revealed to everyone. And this is pretty much what made me really want to get this box, is because I have been putting together my bathroom to be like a spa room, and this would be the perfect addition to that bathroom. And so, I don't know, people might find it silly, and people were actually kind of disappointed over this product, but to me this is gold, and this item alone is what makes the whole box worth it, in my opinion, along with the robe, of course. But I feel like you can't really find cute hand soaps like this, especially Pusheen herself out there. So this to me is very limited edition, very cute, very like figurine, but you know, it's like this, except you can't use this, you can't really look at it, but this you can actually use. So I really appreciate this. This next one is the Pusheen Plush. Super duper cute. I know exactly where I'm gonna put this, along with my other plush I got from another box. But this one is Pusheen wearing this blue robe, very much like this loofah. You know, you can see a theme, especially with this kind of Tiffany blue theme that Pusheen has. So, you know, they're both wearing a robe. Very cute. And of course, last but not least, oh, never mind. We got another item hiding beneath the robe. It's this toothbrush. It's very cute. I don't know what I would really use this for. People said you can use it for traveling, but I'm not sure because it's very long. Like if it was shorter, then it would, you know, be better for traveling. But this is like very long. Like this is like the length of my forearm. And I already have an electronic toothbrush, so I don't know what I would use this for, to be honest. But I do like this toothbrush holder head over here that has Pusheen on it. I don't know, we'll see, but I do like it. I think to be honest, I feel like this is one of those like plug-in products, like, oh, we need like a certain amount, and so this is what we're gonna, you know, put in there, but it's still very cute. All right, now last but not least, there's this beautiful Pusheen robe that I think everyone has been like super crazy over and super excited over. And I know that Pusheen sizes run big, and my box is an extra small, so I hope that, you know, this won't be too big. I'm gonna try it on for you guys in the video right here, as you can see. But for the previous things that I've received from Pusheen, the sizes run pretty large, and you know, even the shirts that you see from my last video, it's like a dress on me. And so I just hope that this robe isn't too ginormous, but even if it is, I feel like it's fine, because I mean, you're just lounging around the house. A robe is kind of like a blanket that you can wear around the house anyway, so it wouldn't be that big of a deal. But I just like my clothing fitted to my body. So, but I mean, I love Pusheen, and I think this print is absolutely gorgeous and super cute. Do I wish it was in pink? Yes, but you know, I love pink, but I do understand why they went with blue, because as you can see, like there's a thing with Pusheen that, You know, it's very blue. But I do appreciate that the loofah is pink. So, you know what? I'll take that. Now, since last time I had a special item that I showed at the end of my video, which is the mini Pusheen backpack, I thought that in this video I can add another item too that I've recently gotten that's not from the Pusheen box. So here it is. Dun, 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 dun. It is a Pusheen with a donut little keychain key holder that you can put on your bag or you can hold your keys. I got this from my mother-in-law, which is very sweet of her. I don't even know how she knew I liked Pusheen, but she did, and she got this for me when she was on vacation. So I really love this little guy. I think it's super cute. It's very me, very pink. You know, there's a donut, the little arms. I think it's super cute. So this is my little Pusheen outro of the day or of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. I'm sorry that, you know, it's a very quick, here's what's in the box and, you know, my thoughts and what I'm excited about, because I want to start using these items right away. And since the boxes are just shipped and people are receiving them, I thought that you would like to see this video as soon as possible. So thank you everyone for tuning in. I'm very excited to use these items, and I hope that you got your box too. And comment in the section down below, what is your most excited thing from this seasonal box? You know that my favorite one, of course, is this hand soap slash lotion dispenser, and of course the robe. So these two things are my absolute favorite. Of course I love everything else, but if I had to choose, it would be the soap lotion dispenser and this awesome bathrobe. All right, thank you everyone for watching again. I hope everyone is doing good, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.